My name is Hamdan from Emergency Plus Medical Service, Kenya Red Cross. It was like at around 11 a.m. when we were informed about this situation. So far so good. Tumefika hapa. No dead bodies yet retrieved. Only the landlord, the caretaker, mwenye alikuwa kwa building, but alikuwa evacuated and he was safe and sound. He was taken to the hospital. So far so good. No any dead body found.
We are here in Kahawa West, Kware area, where, as you have seen, there has been a collapse of a building. Now this building, we were aware that it would have a problem because our experts, our professionals had noticed it before and given a warning to the residents. So they had been asked to move, and 99% of the residents had moved, we believe, and whoever else may have been in here maybe came back to check something and all that, and that is why we have the teams that will be mobilized to come and help and check whether there is anybody else trapped in there, but I can assure you that most of the people who lived there had already moved out of the building. So we want to go meticulously through the site to confirm that indeed there is nobody else left in there, so that we can then take the next steps to understand the circumstances and the issues that are here. But we've got very good support from the defense forces, our own teams from the county, and our own professionals, the planning teams and the people who supervise the construction. They've gone through. The local MCA has been here throughout and has followed through the incident, and we have been talking about what to do next for the residents.